Hello, good morning, everyone, and good evening to all of you. Uh, Hello, hi. So on daily chart, I have this level as an end of new week opening gap or on new day opening gap. It is a new week opening gap. If you check the Fridays and the Monday, it was a Friday close and the Monday's opening. It was the new week opening gap. By the way, my sound is coming good, right? Super low. I think you have to adjust your mic, here, speaker, maybe. Monique. Okay, so we have taken us this sell side liquidity, this was the Monday. Tuesday made a high of the week. Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday we already has taken out the previous day low. If you check, um for me the AM session is a low probability. There is a reason behind this, because if you check the pre-market, the 7 o'clock, we have a big expansion to the sell side liquidity, and this was the previous day low. This is the, I will like to mark this low. Okay. Yeah. We have liquidity open for this London high and the Asia high, but once if we flip this fair value gap, then only I will like to target this highs. Otherwise, I'm going to ignore this day completely. Mm. This is the 5 minute on a RTH. We do have this sell side liquidity, and this is the minor buy side liquidity. Session buy side liquidity. It was a PM session high. Okay, so we open up to the below the sell side. We are going to hit this buy side new week opening gap. This gap. This is the equal highs. 830, 30 high. My short-term bias is bullish, by the way, because if you check it, we have took a sell side liquidity, and we have open for the London high, Asia high, and the pre-market high also. But the thing is, the pre-market has given a big distribution, so I will like to wait on a 5 minute at least to shift my bias to bullish. This is the 5 minute CB. Hello Jay. Hello, what's up? Because on daily, if you check it, we do have this rejection block. Okay. Yeah, yesterday I was outside. It was a small adventure trip with my friends. We do have a news at 10 o'clock. Today's Thursday, and we do have a job opening. We was having on 8:30 the unemployment claims. Yeah, I think the Trump is going to speak at 7 o'clock, 7 p.m. after the market close. It will be the Asia session. Yeah, there is no NFP. Yeah, there is no NFP. Okay, let's mark this rejection block. Rejection block. Grace. If we close above this, you can look for this for the buy side liquidity, because after the 9:30 we have done the manipulation below this. That's why we have taken a short term session low, and we tapped after taking a sell side liquidity. We tapped to the new week opening gap. Mhm. This will be the 50%. Mm. Looking for this buy side liquidity. This one will be the short term target, and if market reach to this high, then it is going to take this 50%. Yeah, because I was also thinking where is the NFP, and I think it disappear on Tuesday only. We take out this equal highs, okay, and this was the also we tap to the 25% new week this opening range gap. Check it. we are still inside this gap. So once the price has taken this equal highs, it will become low probability. The initial buy side liquidity will be this one, because the high it has been created inside the 8:30 uh, after the 8 o'clock. So yeah, this is the random buy side liquidities. This is the session liquidity, and we have taken a session sell side liquidity. And we are not aligning with the right now with the institution order flow. The institution order flow is bearish. Whenever you have a big range like this, okay, in a pre-market, the AM session will be choppy. It will take a short-term targets, but you need to have a big news to take out this high or this all the failure swings, because today is Thursday, and most of the time the Thursday NY session is going to cap the uh, uh, this weekly power of three. Not a weekly power of three. It is going to cap the range, weekly range on Thursday. That is why we like to see the short term reversal on Thursday. Okay, we tapped the this buy side liquidity. I'm going to remove this one. 50% will be the target. Why I mark this inverse FEG? Why did not I mark this one? Fair value gap. Because whenever you have a reaper, the sell side liquidity, whenever you have inside the breaker, when you are going to see the fair value gap, you always have to refer this fair value gap rather than this fair value gap. Because we have taken a sell side liquidity, and we also tapped the new week opening gap, and we have taken a multiple sell side liquidity like this, 1, 2, and 3. That's why we have flipped the 15-minute FVG. We will wait for the 15-minute closure also. And market is going to rebalance to the Asia low. Okay, this is the Asia low, and then after that we are going to look for this buy side liquidity, and this is the market maker buy model: consolidation, redistribution, smart money reversal, low risk buy. I will mark the this mitigation block. This will be the reaccumulation. This will be the second stage or first stage. Second stage I will call it. If this fair value gap is unfilled, if this fair value gap is unfilled, then we are going to see the good reaction, I mean good energetic move. Then we can look for this buy sell liquidity also for the target, because this is also whenever this two fair value gaps there, and one fair value gap is the only the upper fair value gap is filling, the secondary is not filling. It is just showing us how much bullish or bearish we are. We can measure it. We tap to the first target. This was the first target, equal highs. The second target was 50%. Okay, check it. Uh, do you see this gap? This is the new week opening gap after taking a sell side liquidity. Okay, we tap to the premium FEG in terms of dealing range. If we close above this order block, it will be the high probability order block, and you can look for this buy side liquidity again. And yeah, okay, I will remove this fair value again. The nearest target will be the 75% level after taking this buy side this order block high, and then the 100% closure on the opening range gap. This high is important. This is where the energetic move has been started. If you see, yeah. Guys, please hit the like button if you like my commentary. The new 15-minute candle has been started. Let's say I think it is going to tap this fair value gap, and it can go up. AFG become the IFG. It was the news. It was today was a good trade, by the way, from this fair value gap to this 50% new week opening. This opening range gap. I will like to wait for the news now because market can goes to the consolidation also. We do have a news at 10 o'clock. Yes, remove this. Because price is not closing above this order block. The body is not closing. If you check, we are still struggling with the wicks. So basically, we are getting some kind of rejection. That's why I like to wait for a. I will wait for the news. Yeah, it is. I don't have a bullish bias, but it is a short term trader only because we already hit the our weekly power of three target. We also, and the second thing is this is our premium and discount. Okay, we are trading into the premium fair value gaps, and the the institutional order flow is bearish. If you check it, the every order flow is supporting. We are taking a sell side liquidity, multiple sell side liquidity. Yeah, we do have a minor buy side liquidity, SMT also, and ES has not taken this high. But we have the equal highs. If you check, this is the unfinished business. This is also the unfinished business. All these failure swings from this one. No, wait for the news. We do have a 10 o'clock news. Let's wait it. Let's wait because right now, okay, uh, price has goes to the sell side liquidity and then buy side liquidity again. It has offered the sell side and it has also offered the sell side again. So we have closure on this auto block, but it is not energetic still. And this is the mitigation block on 5 minute. 25,200. 25,200. The the big figure is 25,000 right now. This one. And after that, whenever you have a big figure, the price is always going for the 10, 20, 30, or a 40 points. This is what ICT talks about the big figure and small figures. That's why I told you, whenever the price has uh, done like this big wicks, then it is giving you like an order block. I don't like to anticipate those things. I will wait for the news and see what price is showing me. We can also trade to the 5 minute order breaker block, and we can have a stop run inside the when the news has come. And if we see a structure, then we can look for this buy side again. This is the accumulation. This is what I'm saying right now. This is the accumulation. Okay. I like to see the manipulation below this low and the distribution to the upper side. We'll remove this as an order block. But our pre-market target has been already hit because we have taken a sell side. We rebalanced to the new week opening gap. We saw the structure with the breaker, and our target was a 50% opening range gap. This is the breaker. And do have this fair value gap over here. If the price is reversing from this, for me it does not make sense because it is not taking a major buy side liquidity like in session liquidity for me. And if this change in state of delivery happened, and if we broke this low, then I need to see the what will be the target. this equal lows only. But yeah, but it does not make sense without taking a buy side liquidity on RTH, ATH, sorry. I think we are going to see the SMT with ES after the news at a 10 o'clock candle. Let's check how the 10 o'clock form 4 hour formation is. Yeah. There is no fair value gap over here. This is only the sell side liquidity and this is the order block. On daily we do have a rejection block over here. I think we are going to tap the CE of the new week opening gap or the new day opening gap. Let's see how the price is going to behave. That's why I told you it does not make sense this order block because the price was literally struggling. Like it was showing you the signature like big wicks and it was struggling to go up, and also the price tapped to the second fair value gap and we have broken this low. You need to become a detective whenever you are looking at price, what price can do next. By the way, anyone has taken any trade today? Long. Nasdaq has taken out this sell side liquidity minor and ES has not taken out. Check the ES and Nasdaq lows. Let's see this low, if this SMT is holding or not. Yeah. SMT did not hold. We are going to take out this low, I think. And we are going to rebalance to the new week opening at CE. We traded to the premium FEG. Also, we flipped this fair value gap. We also did not respect to this auto block, breaker block, sorry, and also the auto block. You don't have to marry to the bias because the we are trading against the order flow, so you have to check how the price is behaving on 1 minute and 5 minute, and only you have to take a decision. It is all going to come by the experience only. When you watch the market for the 2 to 3 years or even for the 5 years, only the AM session, you are going to know, okay, this low is going to hold or this high is going to hold, or let's say this order block is going to hold or not. You can literally tell these things with the help of experience only. Fair value gap. Price should attack to the sell side liquidity because we do have a minor SMT after 10 o'clock. If you check, the price has not taken this high 958, but this is not a high probability because if the price was rebalancing to this FVG, I think the price has taken out this FVG on a ES, but on Nasdaq we have not taken. So that's why the this SMT is more important. And we should attack to this sell side liquidity in the opening range, new week opening gap CE. And once we flip this new week opening gap, then we are going to look for the rejection block as a target on daily. This will be the sell side liquidity. We do have a low, not a session liquidity. It is just a minor sell side liquidity. 24,607. Yeah, we are trading at the high of the new week opening gap. This is the order block because we rebalanced to this fair value gap. This was the SMT. This was the order block. Only the this long to the 50% of opening range gap, and then we waited for the order block, but we did not see any strong closure. Then this rally I was not expecting for the bearish. Yeah, and now I'm just reading a tape reading for this sell side liquidity. Yeah. By the way, I'm done for the day because I have already caught this long. I told you this is the buy side and this equal highs was the target. And after once we traded to this buy side liquidity, we are going to tap the opening range gap CE. If you check, this was the opening range gap CE. We traded to the opening range gap CE, and now we get into the bearish. We have failed the first fair value gap. The second, we also did not respected this over this change in state of delivery and the breaker. So we have to change our bias to bearish because we traded to the premium FEG. I was not expecting that price is getting reverse because without taking any session liquidity or without having any SMT. Yeah, we don't have any SMT. We do have this, but not with the session liquidities. Yeah, and we was having a SMT after the 10 o'clock, and we created the fair value gap. After rebalancing to the fair value gap, this is the order block. We are going to tap this new week opening gap CE, and this is the 4-hour sell side liquidity, 24,607. It is all you can check the recording afterwards. Thank you, Aditya. Guys, please hit the like button because if you guys are not going to hit the like button, uh, I'm not going to know the you guys like my live stream or not because right now only the 15 people has liked the video. Thank you, Natural. Okay, the ES has taken out this sell side liquidity. Yeah, we tap to the new week opening gap. So yeah, this should be if someone has taken this trade, okay, because why this trade is valid, but this is this is not a big RR one. It will be the like an 1-to-1 trade. If you check the our stop loss will be like this and the target will be like this 1-to-1 trade, or you can extend your target till this. The more extended target will be this one. But why this trade idea is valid? Because we have taken this we have this market structure shift. We have taken also this market structure shift. So we do have a two. We have taken out the two uh, low. Okay, this was the minor. This was the major. We also flipped two fair value gaps. So basically, we was bearish, right? Short term. Yeah. Hello. I'm good. By the way, anyone took any trade? The long one or the short one? This is the short one. The long one was this one. Okay, took the long. Nice, nice. The long one was I was having a more confident on a long. That's why it was the easy trade. You guys know how the market is trading to the new original opening range gap CE. 70% of time price is going to take it because we do have a shift. We have taken a sell side liquidity. Then we have a market structure shift with a reaper. Whenever you have a fair value gap in a breaker, you have to prefer the fair value gap instead of the breaker. You can prefer the breaker also, but yeah, it is all depend on how you're going to put your stop loss. And then this was the easiest setup, the long one. Now we tap to the order block. We are going to go for the 24,607. Once we smash the 24,607, I will like to close the stream because we have already done for the game and done for the business also. If you like my live stream, you can say the GG in a chat. Thank you very much, buddy. Okay, we have taken this sell side liquidity where the market can go if we drop the rejection block on daily. This is I think we can look for this order block also. Yeah, this is on a daily. This is the rejection block is this one, because you can also look this low as a rejection block. Before taking a sell side liquidity, this was the low. Before taking a sell side liquidity, this was the low. Yeah, so these two lows are the rejection block, and we completely fill to the new week opening gap. By the way, if anyone is buying any account from Lucid or 35 or any other prop firm, you can use the perk. You can also check the prop firm perk for the how much discount you are going to get. You are going to get a highest discount on a if you are using the perk as a code. It is also going to save your money, and you are supporting this live stream also. That's why I'm saying don't try to catch the long, don't try to catch the bottoms and top, because think like this. Okay, we're going to hit this rejection block anyway, but yeah, think like this. If the price was going up to this buy side liquidity, you was getting chopped up just because you was trusting this order block. You wanted to you wanted to long in the middle of the in a premium, okay, and you got you just get fucked up over here. And then think like this, if you wanted to short over here, that if your bias was bearish, like if you was having like a 930 has done a manipulation to the upper side, and then we are going to target this low and this low, because this low will be the pre-market low. Yeah, but this short for me, this short was not favorable. This short was good for me, but I already took a long, so that's why I did not prefer this short. But I told you guys that you can look for this FEG. We was having SMT with ES. ES has taken out this fair value gap, so this is the PD area SMT. We was having a news, so news has done a manipulation. We also tapped to the inverse FEG, and this was the short-term target. Other one was the new week opening gap CE. That's why I'm saying don't try to catch the long on a bottom or top, because the same thing happened. Um, Wait a second. The same thing happened with over here. See, when the you wanted to long over here, just because market structure has been shift. See how the price is moving. You need to understand how the trading psychology is working over here also. This short I given you in a live stream on Tuesday. On Wednesday, I did not watch any chart. Okay, I was outside, but check. Many people long on this market and they got fucked up over here, because once you have a big range from 9:30 to 10 o'clock, you have to expect like, okay, we are going to see some kind of consolidation. And I literally told you over here, like we are going to see a consolidation, right? And I don't like to catch, even if the price has done the shift and all those things. uh, I'm not going to look for the long or short. But anyway, guys, thank you very much for joining this live stream, and have a nice day. And GG, and don't overtrade, over risk. And if you wanted to buy any account, you can use the perk as a code. You can refer my website. Thank you very much again. Bye bye. Take care.